said 4 times I've gone to SSB. I was hiding one thing because in the coaching center I was told don't tell this. I said, no sir, I'm not married so I have no marriage experience. कहता मेरे को मरने का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है क्योंकि मैं मरा नहीं हूं, इसलिए मुझे मरने का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है। उसको गलत सोच रहा है। स्टोरी ऑफ माय लाइफ से पता चलता है। There is one boy who failed 4 times. शॉर्ट में सुनाएंगे क्योंकि और भी काम करना। He wrote story and I read the story. I thought the boy is good, but 4 times rejected. Then I called him. Like, I'm going to interact with you. I'll ask you a few questions about your life. I want to know you. I'm not here for trying to find faults with anyone. Everybody has faults. Even I have faults. The interviewing officer who's going to interview, he's got a lot of faults. Yeah. Bhagwan thodi. But he's improving upon them. That is why he's there. So he was shivering in front of me. My hands were shivering like this. He was in the army. He was very well built, very smart, spoke very good English. He had great knowledge. But he was shivering. So I said, I read your story. Why are you so nervous? He said, I get scared when I speak to senior officers. Especially interviewing officer. You are taking my interview, so I am nervous. I said, are you hiding something? Have you done something wrong? First he didn't say it, then he said, yes sir, something I am hiding from you. I said, what? He said, 4 times I have gone to SSB. I was hiding one thing because in the coaching center I was told don't tell this. So I said, you tell me at least, now I am your friend. I gave him reason why he should tell me. So he told me. He told me that his father had died because of AIDS. He had a stepmother and step brothers and sisters. He has been told by the coaching center not to tell all this because it will become negative. I want to tell you all people that how is that negative? That is the truth of his life. How can it be negative? How can truth of life be negative? What is negative? Is Corona negative? Then you will say, I will not write story on Corona. Is death negative? Then you will say, I will not write story on death. That is the truth. But how you deal with Corona will be positive or negative. How you deal with death will be positive or negative. How you deal with your father dying of AIDS will be positive or negative. I asked him, how did you deal with the situation? So he said, sir, in short, he was doing very well because he took care of his stepmother and brothers and sisters. He was taking care of their medicine, health, financially, emotionally. He was like father to them. He was like father to them. And coaching centers were telling not to tell all this because this will become negative. You know what I did to him? I saluted him. Will you salute such a man? Yes or no?
Yes.
Will you respect such a man?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? I said, you are my hero. He was very positive in dealing with the situation. The situation may be negative, but how positive you are. You change the status of the situation, you are positive. People keep asking, sir, what is positive? Positive to nahi ho jayega, negative to nahi ho jayega. My father died of it. Coaching center was telling him. I don't want to tell anything to such coaching centers. Anything. क्योंकि मैं मेरे शब्दों में फिर डिसरिस्पेक्ट आ जाएगी. डोंट वांट टू टेल एनीथिंग टू सच कोचिंग सेंटर्स. वो लड़का गया. He openly told the truth and he came out of the interview and he said, sir, मेरे को डर नहीं लगा. I was so confident this time. He was a jawan from the army. He had failed 4 times. 5th time he went for the Air Force. He was selected there. And he was failing only because of this. And of course, there are other things which he improved upon. See the difference. So, what I was telling you that जो आपने बोला था कि हम मेहनत सब पे करते हैं और हमारा काम ही मेहनत करना. गीता का सबसे बड़ा ज्ञान है. फल की चिंता मत करो. Okay? So very good point. Anybody else?
So,
Go on.
सर आपने ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वाला एक जो पॉइंट बताया है कि कोचिंग सेंटर्स बताते हैं कि वो स्टोरी को पॉजिटिव वे में लिखना है, नेगेटिव वे में उसे करेक्ट करना है. तो सर लाइफ में अगर देखा जाए कि जैसे कि मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताऊं कि मैं 50% चीजों को सही तरीके से कर लेता हूं और 50% चीजों को शायद उतना अच्छे से नहीं कर पाता हूं या कोई सॉल्यूशन फाइंड नहीं कर पाता हूं. तो सर जब मैं वो उसे स्टोरी राइटिंग में कन्वर्ट करता हूँ तब सर मेरे पास या तो सर सोशल हेल्पिंग होती है या फिर मेरे इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड एक दो स्टोरी इस तरह की बन पाती है. तो सर इसका
आपको बहुत सारे लोगों को गलत फहमी है. बहुत सारे लोगों को गलत फहमी है कि जो मेरे साथ हुआ मैंने वही लिखना है. जो मैंने किया वही लिखना है. जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है मुझे वही लिखना है. जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है वही लिखोगे और कुछ लिख नहीं सकते आप. आपके वश में नहीं है कुछ और लिखना. आपके जो एक्सपीरियंस है वही लिखोगे और आपके वश में ही नहीं है. लेकिन गलती कहां हो रही है? आपको लगता है, मैं इसको रिपीट करूंगा क्योंकि अगर ये वीडियो बनेगा तो सबको समझ में आना चाहिए. आपको लगता है एक्सपीरियंस का मतलब किया हुआ काम होता है. You feel that experience means having done something or having gone through something is an experience. Having acted, having done something is an experience. Of course, that is one experience. But even having thought of doing something is an experience. Perceiving some situation and understanding it and perceiving it is also an experience. Visualizing and dreaming is also an experience. Imagining and having a vision is also an experience. feeling is also an experience. Why are you thinking only doing is an experience? In that case, you have no experience. If I ask you, do you have experience of marriage? You say, no, sir, I am not married, so I have no marriage experience. My friend, haven't you seen marriage happening? आप शादी कर, did you go to attend some marriage function? Yes, you would. Didn't you have some experience of marriage there? कहता है मेरे को मरने का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है क्योंकि मैं मरा नहीं हूं, इसलिए मुझे मरने का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है। उसको तो गलत सोच रहा है, वो मरते तो देखा है लोगों को। That is the point. You have seen, and there's so many. Sir, I don't have experience of war. But when you saw a war movie, when you heard about stories, when you imagined, that also was part of your experience. Otherwise, you will never write any story. Because somebody is climbing a mountain, you say, I never climbed a mountain. Somebody going on a bicycle, just right there, I have no experience of bicycle riding. He said, either you tell me how to sit and write, I have written that, I'll do that. This is utter nonsense. So experience doesn't mean, and you know it also. I'm just reminding you. So if you, now you know, you already know, I'm just putting a stamp on it. You know it, you are intelligent enough. But when you go to coaching center tells you, oh, like this. Acha. Then you start doing this, then your story goes for a 6. Experience means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I told you. So it will be easy when we learn this. We will understand this. It will be very easy for you.